5. Powerful habits to think in English automatically. Welcome to another exciting episode on English with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to share 5 powerful habits that will help you think in English automatically. These habits are simple, practical, and will completely change the way you learn English.
Yes, these habits will train your brain to use English naturally without translating from your native language. So, if you're tired of always thinking in your mother tongue first and then trying to speak English, this video is for you.
Let's begin with the first habit. Name things around you in English. This is one of the easiest and most powerful habits. Whatever you see, try to name it in English. For example, if you see a chair, say chair. If you see a car, say car. The goal is to connect English words directly to the things you see without thinking in your native language. This daily habit will help your brain start thinking in English without effort.
Exactly, Ikra. I use this habit even today. When I wake up in the morning, I say words like pillow, blanket, toothbrush, mirror, shoes. I keep naming objects in my surroundings in English. It trains your mind and makes English feel more natural.
Let's move on to the second habit. Talk to yourself in English. Now, this may feel a bit strange at first, but it works like magic. You don't need a partner. Just talk to yourself. For example, say, I am going to take a shower, or I have to complete my homework. You can speak in your mind or whisper to yourself.
This habit helped me a lot. When I started learning English, I used to talk to myself all the time. While walking, cooking, or even brushing my teeth, I would say simple English sentences about what I was doing. It helped me become more fluent because I was thinking in English every day.
And the best thing is that no one judges you when you talk to yourself. You can make mistakes and correct them too. This builds confidence and trains your mind to use English naturally in daily life.
Great point. Now let's talk about the third habit. Change your phone and devices to English. We all use phones, laptops, and apps every day. If you switch the language to English, you will start reading English words regularly. Your mind will get used to common English vocabulary like settings, messages, call, update, alarm, and more.
Yes, and when we see and use English daily on our phone, it becomes automatic. You will stop translating and start understanding naturally. This small change in your environment can bring big improvement in your English thinking skills.
Not only your phone, but you can also change your YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to English. Watch English content, read English posts, and follow English pages. This daily exposure to English will push your brain to think in English.
Let's now discuss the fourth habit. Keep a daily English journal. This is very effective. Write at least 5 sentences about your day in English. For example, I woke up late today, or I ate biryani for lunch, or I studied English for 1 hour.
Writing helps you to organize your thoughts in English. It also shows you which vocabulary or grammar you need to improve. When you write every day, your brain starts thinking in English before writing. This is a very powerful way to train your mind.
And don't worry about grammar or spelling in the beginning. The goal is to build a habit and let your mind express in English. Slowly, you will become more confident and accurate.
We've reached the 5th and final habit. Think in English about your future or plans. When you think about what you want to do tomorrow or next week, do it in English. For example, tomorrow I will go to the market, or next week I want to visit my friend. This is a great way to practice future tense and train your mind to create ideas in English.
Yes, it's like daydreaming in English. Imagine different situations, like going to the airport, attending a party, or visiting another country, and describe them in English in your mind. It's creative, fun, and very helpful.
You can also imagine conversations in English. Think about how you will order food at a restaurant or introduce yourself to someone new. These imaginary conversations prepare your brain to respond in English quickly in real situations.
So let's quickly review the 5 powerful habits to think in English automatically. Habit 1, name things around you in English. Habit 2, talk to yourself in English. Habit 3, change your phone and apps to English. Habit 4, keep a daily English journal. Habit 5, think in English about your future or imagine English conversations.
These habits are easy to do and don't need any special tools. Just a little time, daily practice, and consistency. If you follow these habits every day, your brain will slowly stop translating and start thinking in English directly.
And remember, don't worry about mistakes. Thinking in English is a journey. You will get better every day if you stay motivated and keep using English in your daily life.
So, what have we learned in this video? We've learned 5 simple but powerful habits that can train our brain to think in English naturally. These habits will improve your fluency, confidence, and speaking ability.
Thank you for watching this video on English with Altaf. Start using these habits today and see the difference.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Keep practicing and keep thinking in English.
See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.